welcome guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do you want to edit like this? First, get your clips ready. Select your first clip and freeze it. Now adjust to the right beat. Do the same for all of the clips. Then add a skull image. You can find one on Google. Then after remove the background, adjust it to the size you want. Crop the skull image as same as the frozen clip. Now copy it several times and add it to the other clips. Now follow my step 4, the coloring. Brightness -5. Contrast 5. Saturation -15. Exposure equals 15. Sharpen equals 100. Highlight equals 10. Shadow equals -10. Go to Effects and add cross shape. Make it quarter the clip. Press adjust and make glow up to 0 and twist up to 100. Select object and apply it to all clips and copy it one time. Go to Effects and add tremor strobe. Crop it exactly to your clip. Go to Adjust and make glow up to 0. Now copy the effects and apply it to all of the clips. Then copy the coloring and apply it all your clips. Make the effect tremor strobe apply to all clips. After you finish, export it. Result.